Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have this system x to the y plus to the x plus y equals y to the power of 325, and x to the y plus y to the x plus y equals x to the 650, and y times y to the power of 325. So let's solve this, guys. Well, what I'm gonna do first of all is I'm gonna multiply side by side. Okay, I'm gonna multiply the left side by the equation. I'm gonna multiply by the right side of the equation. So this times this, we're gonna have x to the y plus to the x plus y times y to the x plus y. This is gonna be y to the power of 3 to 5 times x 650 and the y 325. So different bases, same powers, we multiply the bases and we keep the powers. X plus y, which is going to be then here, you see, and I'm going to keep this value of x to the 650 times same bases, same powers, we keep the power and we add the powers. This is 2 5 plus 3 to 5, and then we have xy, x plus y, and then this is going to be x to the 650 and y to the power what, 650, which is the double of this. So now we have xy to the power of x plus y, and then this is going to be now we have different bases, same powers. We multiply the bases and we keep the powers. Okay, so this is 650. So now we see that bases are the same and powers are different. So but you see that this is exponential equation, so now we have that x plus y is equal to 650. Let's say this is 1. So from here, guys, if this is x plus y is equal to 650, now we can replace this value in our first equations. So I'm gonna pick the first one, which is this one here. This is second, and then we have x and this is x to the power of x plus y is equal to y to the power of 325. So x plus y is equal to 650. So it means that we're gonna have x, right, to the power of 650, which is going to be equal to y to the power of 325. So guys, this is the double of this, because if I multiply by 2, I'm going to have this. Okay, so I'm going to divide the powers by this. This is divided by this, and I'm going to divide by this. So this is going to have this divided by this is going to be 2, and this is equal y. So now this is, let's say this is our second equation. So if x squared is equal y, I'm gonna pick this value then and replace in our first equation, which is this one. So we have that x plus y is equal to 650. So I'm gonna say the value of y is x squared. So is x squared plus this x, and then this is equal to 650. So this is a second degree equation. Well, I'm gonna write like this and then, well, our x here is gonna be minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So our x then is gonna be what? B is 1, so we're gonna have minus 1 plus or minus, and then we're gonna have here square root of b squared, which is 1, and minus 4ac times this, we're gonna have minus 4 times minus 650. and this is divided by 2 because a is 1. So guys, from here we're gonna have then our x is gonna be minus 1 plus or minus. This is gonna be 1 plus this multiplied by this is gonna be 2000, so 2600, and then we're gonna have here divided by 2. So this is gonna be then x is gonna be minus 1 plus or minus, and this is gonna be this 200 and 2000 2601. It's easier to say like this, so divided by 2. So guys, and from here we have that this is this number here is 50, sorry, this number here is 51 square. So now we have then our x is going to be minus 1 plus or minus 51 divided by 2. So then we're going to have x1 is equal minus 1 plus 50. 1 is 50. 50 divided by 2, it's 25. And we're going to have here x2 equals minus 1 minus 20 minus 51 minus 52. Minus 52 divided by 2, it's minus 26. So guys, but we have to remember that in our conditions we have that x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. It means that the product of these two are greater than 0. Okay, we're gonna use this soon. So guys, we have then that our the value of x, then we're gonna reject this one which is negative, so we're gonna have that x is equal to 25. If x is equal to 25, let's find the value of y. We have here that y is equal x squared, so y is equal x squared. It means that y is equal to 25 squared, and 25 squared is 625. So guys, this is the value of y and this is the value of x. Okay, but let us see here. We can see that if x plus x, if xy is equal 1, okay, it's greater than 0, so xy is 1. So you can make this by observation only, okay, and I can say from here that x is equal 1 and y is equal 1 as well, because if I replace the values of this 1 and this 1 here, I'm gonna get the same thing. So well, and doing so, we can say that for x we're gonna have, or x and y, we're gonna have 1 and 1, or we're gonna have 25 and 625. Okay guys, this is solutions. Thank you very much for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.